Welcome to today's video. If you've ever received tons of links on WhatsApp and can't seem to find the one you need, don't worry, this new update has made it super easy to locate all your shared links right from your PC. In just a few simple steps, you can organize and access every link you've ever received or sent. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you have access to all the newest features. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. This is where you'll see your chat list, along with a few icons that let you manage your media and files. Now, click on the media icon on the left side menu. It looks like a small circle with a few shapes inside. That's where all your shared media is grouped together. Once you click it, a window will open showing different categories: photos, videos, and links. From here, select links to view all the links shared in your chats. This section neatly organizes every link you've sent or received, so you can easily scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's a YouTube link, an article, or a document URL, everything is listed right there. Next, move to the top of the window and click on the sort icon. It's a small button that lets you customize how your links are displayed. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with a few sorting options. Finally, choose others. This filter reorganizes the list and helps bring up links that aren't automatically categorized, like news articles, blog posts, or any shared resources outside major platforms. It's perfect for sorting through miscellaneous links that would otherwise be hard to find. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can now view, organize, and revisit all received links on WhatsApp directly from your PC. It's clean, quick, and super convenient. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to check out other videos where we explore more WhatsApp features and tips to make your chatting experience smoother than ever.